All right, Mark Charles.
We're back. Did you miss me?
Always. It's
Another new
time for another brand new item.
Yep.
Liquid or powder.
Yep.
The secret to exact measure is leveling.
Without guessing. So the idea is we've got a self-measuring, self-leveling scoop. It works for all around the household. You're going to get 2 of them. They are dishwasher safe. They're BPA free, but they really make life easier. So I'm going to take a close-up just to show you. There's the 2, right? And I'm going to, here's 2 right here. And I'm going to show you what we do. With the thumb, just so you can see on the camera, this is your thumb part. You see this? Look at this. If I go like this, see that ring? It falls back. That's your leveling scoop. So whenever you want to scoop something, you have the ring back and you scoop in. Now, we're here to the side. You see the measurements right there? And all you do is push. If I want 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 2.5, you push up to the measurement. I'm doing this on the camera up in the air, which is not good for me. There we go. Sorry about that. Push up to there, scoop, and then, ready for it? You level like this. So let's put it to work, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to go in here and get my flaxseed, and you know what? I don't want 3 tablespoons. I want 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to push it up. I'm going to just scoop, right? And then watch this. So then I just take the level, back and forth, and then that is exactly 2 tablespoons, and then put it into your recipe. So I love the fact that you can really exact what you need. I'm going to go into here and actually scoop it again. And let's say this is, okay, so this is the way this is, it's overfilled, but I want to make sure it's leveled.
Cornmeal.
Cornmeal. Back and forth, and it actually levels back and forth, and it filled in the spot that was empty here.
It's not packing it down.
That's not packing it down.
Sometimes if you pack down any kind of dry measure, you can put too much in. So that's why it's important not to eyeball.
Again, coffee. Think about coffee. Think about protein powder. Look, back and forth, and I've got a perfect amount for my coffee. Get it into the coffee machine. If you're doing protein powders, going into the protein powder, remember the key, of course, is to actually, there's fully done, and I'm going to go right over and back, and right over and back, and there we go. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. So that's the perfect amount, and I measure for 2, but it's got 2, 2.5, and 3, and you get 2 of them. And why I love 2, David? Because I'm going to put one here. My favorite thing to use it for is the laundry.
Laundry.
Because, folks, how many times do you get this? First of all, I can't find it. Second of all, it breaks and cracks. How about the fact that I can keep this in there, and all I'm going to do is go back, and I want to make sure that there we go, scoop, and my laundry is done. Every single time. So keep one for laundry, keep one for your protein, keep one for just coffee at the coffee bar. You're doing, of course, the baking stuff is natural. I want to do that secondary because, you know, it's like flour.
You can't eyeball it.
Yeah, you can't. Flour and sugar back and forth. See that?
If you eyeball,
look how perfect that is.
Flour,
and then open the ring.
End up with too much or too
little. There we go.
little.
And now pour in.
All right. How much is this?
You did 3.
3.
Hit it right in there. Look at that. So spices, of course, anything from baking, from sugar to powdered sugar to what do we have here? This is, breadcrumbs.
No, that's grits.
Oh, grits, I'm sorry. And this is, baby formula. So it works every time. Open it up, scoop in there, right? And then what you want to do is I always go right over the piece so I don't lose anything because, you know, this stuff is valuable that we paid for. Look, all done. Look how beautiful that is. All done, ready to go. Baby powder, protein powder, you name it. Laundry detergent.
Formula, whatever.
Formula, it works great every single time.
This is very popular. We are very busy, and something like this is only $22. How best to clean it?
Dishwasher safe.
I love it.
Love that. Oh, there's the 3 measurements up close. Thanks for showing that, guys. So you can actually push it up or down. It's silicone. That ring you see, that color ring in there, David, is silicone. So by the way, this also works on liquids. So if you needed to measure, as you just saw there,
so it's
any
airtight.
kind of liquid, it's airtight. So that silicone's going to keep it in place. It's not going to let it leak, and it's airtight. So it is good for liquids. Oh, I did bring liquid. I thought I didn't bring liquids, but I did. I guess I did bring liquids. So again, I love that. Laundry is my favorite thing in the protein powder shakes. Again, with the liquid, just fill it up. Now, of course, the liquid I don't need to level, right? So there it is right there, and I'm going to take this and put it into my salad dressing that I know 2.5 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons I need in there, and then just throw it in the dishwasher. So the leveling is really for dry. You don't need the leveling when you're doing wet.
Yeah, and it's always going to be a precise measure, whether it is powder or liquid.
Yep.
Or both. You get 2 in this pack up from Henning Lee. It's K99335. And that is your item number. Don't miss out on this. On Easy Pay and a QVC price of only $22. Mark Charles, thanks for being here, sir.
Thanks, everybody. I'm like
always
2
good
new
to see
items
you
today.
All right. Now, Let's get ready for the final look at today's special value.